Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shaem Tech BD. Fix internet and DNS problem in Windows using CMD. DNS cache stores previously visit website IP address. Sometimes this cache become outdated or corrupted, which can causes website loading error, internet issue or access problem. Flushing the DNS cache force Windows to pitch fresh DNS information and helps resolve this issue. No third-party software is required. This is in built Windows CMD networking command. Press Start button, then type CMD. Open CMD run as administrator. Then type this command and hit enter. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.